Thank you for following Manage Constipation with HCL Healthcare. So far, we have covered what is constipation, how to manage, how to achieve a healthy gut by incorporating fiber-rich foods to prevent constipation, differences between constipation and other stomach diseases, and an insight into irritable bowel syndrome with constipation. A large and increasing number of India's urban population suffers from constipation. Ignoring it has led to a rise of chronic constipation. Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Chennai, Patna, Ahmedabad and Lucknow have a higher percentage of constipation sufferers. Chronic constipation is defined as infrequent passage of stools, people experiencing less than 3 bowel movements in a week, or having trouble with evacuation of stools. Its prevalence is 15% in the general population with higher female to male ratio and even higher in the aging population with various symptoms like hard stools, straining, sensation of anorectal blockage, incomplete evacuation, abdominal discomfort and bloating. Chronic constipation can be multifactorial. Genetic predisposition, low socioeconomic status, low fiber diet, lack of adequate fluid intake, sedentary lifestyle, hormonal disturbances, and it can be due to side effects of medicines. Often, chronic constipation is caused due to chronic abdominal or stomach ache that is present for more than 3 months. It can be associated with other stomach diseases such as diarrhea or other gastrointestinal symptoms like nausea or vomiting. Red flags for chronic constipation are if there is a sudden change in bowel movement, blood in stools, pain in abdomen, unable to pass gas, vomitings, fever, unexplained weight loss, family history of colon cancer, and loss of appetite. Chronic constipation can lead to serious health complications like anal fissure or hemorrhoids, piles, incompetence of bowel, fecal impaction, rectal prolapse, urinary retention, damage to the pelvic floor muscles, volvulus, or intestinal obstruction. So, how can we manage constipation? By adequate fluid intake, consuming fiber-rich diet, avoiding sedentary lifestyle, and taking laxatives or ishabgul. However, consult your doctor if you notice any changes in bowel movements or symptoms of chronic constipation before it leads to a serious health complication. So, keep following Manage Constipation with HCL Healthcare. Thank you.